Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Manali, and I'm in a weird angle today. I know. So today I will be painting on stuff, and I may make this into a series. I don't know, a playlist, something, but let's just get on with today's video. Yeah. So enjoy! The first item I'm gonna be customizing is an old spectacle case. This used to be my mother's, and it is really dangerous. It was really broken, so I decided to fix it with masking tape, and then I went ahead to cover the whole loft with masking tape because it's plastic and it is really hard to paint on plastic. So yeah, I covered it with masking tape and it really helped me. So here you can see me fixing up the inner part, and I am starting with the eyes, which I am doing right now, and then I will start with the base, which will be I mixed green with yellow and white, and the middle part, the middle layer, I decided to do it white. Then the topmost layer, I mixed white with red to give this kind of baby pink color, which I absolutely love. And here you can see me doing the seeds and fixing things and stuff. So now I will be doing the inner part, which will be the flesh. So my idea is kind of when you open the outer part will be the cover, and when you open it you'll see the inner part, the fleshy part. So I decided to kind of melt it in like that and add to the seeds, and it looks really good. So the next object is this really old case which I found. So I made some bookmarks which are really horrific. They don't look good, I know. So yeah, these were the stuff which was stored in this. So I decided to customize this because this looked too, I don't know. So since it is already yellow and I wanted to kind of cover this black part, which I did with permanent marker in school when I was bored. Yeah, I ruined it. So since the base is already yellow, I decided to do yellow only. And here I am putting handmade stickers. So also comment down below if you will like a video on handmade stickers. These stickers I made by myself. So now that the other part is done, I'm starting with the back side. Here I kind of wanted to do a kind of a summer drink. Also I did this directly on plastic, which I highly regret. And what is that blue stuff? Blueberry, I guess. Honestly, it doesn't look that appetizing. Yeah, I don't really like this. So that is an umbrella, and here goes the straw. So this object is my least favorite object, which I did in this video. And then I also added some other stickers which are not handmade. These small rainbow stickers are bought from store, but the big one, the big thing, that is handmade. And comment down below if you like to see a DIY homemade sticker. It is really nice. So yeah. the next object I'm going to be customizing is this bag. So this bag is really nice, but it is baby pink and it looked too plain. So I colored it in white acrylic paint for the base color. So I kind of went into a candy kind of theme thing, and this is the last item I decided to do for this video. And sorry for that background noise. Also, I mixed some red with white to give this pink, and here you can see me creating the drips. They look weird, but I like it. So don't mind that. So I created the drips, and on the back side also I did the same thing, and I personally think the back side turned out to be better than the front side, and it should have been the other way around, but it's alright. It's alright. And here I'm using acrylic paints, and I don't have leather paint, and here you can see the white paint drilling across the pink, which I had to fix later. If you can't see, I don't know. And I suddenly realized that my cursor is there, so I removed it. Then I decided to do some candy sticks kind of things on the white base, and the bow, which looked finally we completed 3 objects today. So I will be showing all these objects for those of you who skip to the end. So this is the first box, and this is a handmade sticker, and I may do a DIY handmade sticker video, I don't know, but yeah, this is a handmade sticker, as you can see. Yeah, see, you can stick it like that. And the other one was a broken spectacle case, so I turned this into a watermelon. So this is like the pulp and this is the wedge. And the last thing I did was my favorite thing, that is this bag, and it looks so good. I just love it. It is like a cherry drip. It is an ice cream kind of thing, and this is the bag. So I just absolutely love how this turned out, and today, yeah, there will be something special right after this, which will be, see it yourself.